Self-practice 5.5, question 1. Determine whether the following sequence is a geometric progression and justify your answer. Okay, if it's a geometric progression, the R would be the same. So the ratio of this to this will be the same as this to this. So the formula to find R is either T2 over T1 or T3 over T2 or T4 over T3 and so on. Okay, so here this is our T2, this is our T1. Let's find the R. So T2 divided by T1. 40 over 120 is 1 over 3. Then we find the second R. So T3 divided by T2. So 40 over 3 divided by 40. So 40 over 3 over 40 divide 40 is 1 over 3 as well. So this will be a geometric progression. So we write here geometric progression. I use shortcut lah. Okay, I use short form. Okay, geometric progression. Then the reason will be because the value of R is the same. Okay, so R is a constant. Okay. Next. Let's try question B. So same thing. First we find the R of T2 over T1. Here we get 1 over 10. And then we find the second R with T3 and T2. So 0.0003 divided by 0.003. We get the same value as well, 1 over 10. So this is also a geometric progression. Okay, because R is a constant, or you can say R is the same. Right. Be done. Finally, let's look at C. Ooh. See, we have a few terms. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay. So we have to do T2 over T1. Okay, so let's do R is T2 divided by T1. So 2x over x plus 1. And then the other R would be T3 divided by T2. So 5x plus 12 divided by 2x. And the other one will be T4 divided by T3. So 12x over 5x plus 12. Okay, it's quite clear here that it's completely different. So this cannot become this cannot become this. So these are all not similar. So we can say this is not a geometric progression because value of R is not a constant or not constant. Done. So the R is not same, therefore it cannot be a geometric progression. That's it.